Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by doing the quick but essential checks so we can rule out basic causes. First, confirm airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi toggle in Settings Network and Internet is enabled. If you haven't already, restart both your PC and the router because transient faults disappear after a reboot. Once done, test another device to make sure the network exists. Also inspect any physical Wi-Fi switch or FN key on your laptop and disable battery saver, which can disable adapters. Next, you tackle driver and adapter problems because missing or corrupted drivers often hide Wi-Fi. Open Device Manager, find the wireless adapter, and choose Update Driver. If the issue started after an update, roll back instead. Disable the adapter, then re-enable it, or uninstall the driver and select Scan for hardware changes to force reinstall. Once that's done, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter, and if problems persist, reset the network stack using elevated commands. This clears DNS and TCP/IP misconfigurations. Finally, perform advanced repairs to restore connectivity. Use Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings Network reset to reinstall network components and reboot. While restarting, check BIOS or UEFI to ensure wireless is enabled, and update your system firmware if updates exist because low-level bugs can block adapters. If nothing helps, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts. Then revert to a system restore point or contact support. Key tip: document changes you make so you can reverse them if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.